Hello friends, my great pleasure to welcome you to my channel, The Cell Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yakubu right here, and in today's video, we are going to learn how to create Facebook group step-by-step tutorial. Well, before we dive into the tutorial, if you're very new to this channel, remember to click on the subscribe. So with that being said, let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is to click on here. Then it takes you right here. The next thing you want to do is to click on here. So the next thing you want to do is to click on the plus sign at the top right here. Then it takes you right here. The next thing you want to do is to click on create a group. The first thing you want to do is to enter your group name right here. Then right here, you determine what you want how you want your group to be, whether you want to be a public group or a private group. So you have to click on this option. Then if you want to make it to be private, which means the only member who you share the group link with will be able to see the group, and you can also make it public later. But for now, I will leave it in public. And then once I leave it in the public, and I will come to the top right here, I will click on done. Then you come down below right here and make sure you click on create group. So you can see creating group. Alright, so the group has been created successful. You can easily invite some of your friends to join the group by just tapping on their names, invite friends, things like that. So I will invite this person, I will invite this person. You can later invite as many as possible to join your group. And the next thing you want to do is to click on next at the top there. Then at this point, you can add cover photo to your group, or you can do it later. So you just click on next, and then you can put a group description. So you can also do this later. Click on next, and you can choose a goal. What are the things you want to be doing on this group? That is just the goal. So I'm going to select each of the things I would like to be doing on the group. So promoting a business, buy and selling. So you have to tick what is the main thing you want to be doing on the group, and meet people, and something else, give and support. Then you click on next. Then set the tone of your group and welcome new member with a post. So you can write something to welcome your new member on the group. So I just put up a little bit post into the group. So once you write something, then you click on post. So it's going to be click on post, and you click on done. So once you click on done, it takes you to your group straight up. Then you can scroll down. So this is your first post on the group, and this is how you can create your Facebook group. Simple step-by-step tutorial. I hope you guys find follow for this video. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a big thumb up, and also remember to subscribe to this channel for more tutorial about Facebook group topic. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.